Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to join multiple videos in Windows 10 without using third-party softwares. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, what you need to do is just move your mouse cursor to the start, and in the start just search for one application name as Video Editor. Just search this application name as Video Editor, which comes preloaded with every Windows 10 operating system. So after that, just run or open the application. On opening the application, you can see this kind of user interface. So here you can see options on the left corner, new video project, right? Just click on it and give the name of your video project. I'll just keep it as new video. You can give a name as far as you like. So let's just click on OK. Now you need to click on either add, or you can just drag and drop here to add your videos. So here I have video files, so I'll be going to join both of this video. They are different videos. So after that, what you need to do, just drag them down to the storyboard, as you can see below. So both the videos are different, so just let me mute the audio. You don't need to mute the audio, I'm just doing it since I'm recording right now, so I'll just mute the audio. You can keep the audio on, so don't worry. So after dragging here, you don't need to do anything. So once your videos are added to the storyboard, you can see here on the right top corner, finish video, right? Just click on it and you can see here video output. You can choose high, medium, low, just choose and just click on export. Now it will ask you to give a file name. I'll just give it as new video.mp4. so here only one option is available, that is .mp4 file. So I'll just saving it in desktop. I'll just click on export, wait for a few seconds until the complete video exporting gets complete. So finally the video has been exported, so we'll just try to play. There are two different videos. So finally you can see two different videos that have been joined using this video editor that comes preloaded with every Windows 10 operating system. So if you never known how to join multiple videos in Windows 10 without using any third-party softwares, then you should definitely try these cool tricks. So if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.